Ever feel like your Linux distro is trying to be something it's not and failing badly? I tried both CachyOS and Bazzite so you don't have to spend nights chasing tweaks. Let's see which one earns your install space. According to the CachyOS official site, it's an Arc-based distro optimized for performance with custom kernels, multiple schedulers, and builds for modern CPUs. Meanwhile, Tom's Hardware describes Bazzite as a Fedora-based distro that feels like SteamOS. Shipping with Steam, Lutris, and NVIDIA drivers pre-installed for a ready-to-game experience. On Reddit, one user summed it up perfectly. Bazzite and CachyOS are fundamentally different. Bazzite is immutable, CachyOS is traditional. Depending on your tasks, CachyOS should be faster. But Redditors also point out trade-offs. Some say Bazzite feels bloated with extra software they'll never use, while others love its stability. On the flip side, CachyOS delivers snappier performance but requires more tweaking with the occasional bug depending on hardware. And according to The Verge's review of Bazzite on handhelds, it offers one of the closest SteamOS-like experiences on devices like the ROG Ally, balancing battery life with solid gaming performance. So here's the deal. If you want something polished that just works out of the box for gaming, Bazzite is the easy win. But if you're a performance geek who likes control and doesn't mind tweaking, CachyOS might be the safer ride. Whichever way you go, may your frame rates be smooth, your crashes rare, and your updates drama-free.